In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to edit your book. If you've ever wanted to refine your writing, catch those pesky grammar mistakes, or simply ensure that your manuscript is polished before publishing, you're in the right place. Grammarly is a powerful tool that can help you with all of this, and today we'll show you how to get started in just a few minutes. First, let's begin by heading over to the Grammarly website. Once there, if you already have an account, you'll want to sign in. Don't worry if you've forgotten your login details, just click on I have an account or login and follow the steps to regain access. If you're new to Grammarly, signing up is just as straightforward and will help you access this robust editing tool. Once you're logged in, type in your email and click on continue. This will direct you to your personal dashboard, aptly named My Grammarly. This area acts as your launching pad for all your documents. Now let's create a new document to start editing. Simply click on the new document button, which will open up a blank workspace for you to paste your text. Copy the text from your book file and paste it into this new document. This is where the magic happens. After your text is imported into Grammarly, click on Review Suggestions. This feature is where you'll start seeing different underlined portions of your text. Each underlined section comes with a suggestion ranging from grammatical corrections to style enhancements. Take some time to go through these suggestions carefully. You can select which ones you wish to incorporate into your document. Remember, Grammarly's suggestions are there to guide you. It's wise to evaluate each one to make sure it fits your personal writing style and the voice of your book. Perhaps there's a phrase that Grammarly flags, but it perfectly suits your style or the tone of your characters. Don't hesitate to accept or reject suggestions based on your judgment. Grammarly will efficiently underline potential errors as you go through your text. This visual aid helps in quickly identifying where tweaks are needed. Keep in mind though, that while Grammarly is incredibly helpful, it's always best to pair it with your own insights as an author, or seek a professional editor for a more nuanced critique, especially for larger manuscripts. Finally, go over any remaining issues and decide whether to accept Grammarly's suggestions or not. This process ensures that your writing is not only grammatically correct, but also consistent with your desired narrative style. And there you have it. By using Grammarly, you're taking a significant step toward a polished professional manuscript. Thank you for tuning in and happy writing.